Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about Python, a popular programming language. So, what is Python? Step 1. Python Introduction. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language. Step 2. Simplicity. One of Python's key strengths is its simplicity. It's easy to read and write, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Step 3. Readability. Python's code is highly readable thanks to its clean and straightforward syntax. This means you can express your ideas clearly and concisely. Step 4. Versatility. Python is a versatile language that can be used for a wide range of applications, from web development and data analysis to artificial intelligence and automation. Step 5. Community. Python boasts a vibrant and supportive community. There's a wealth of resources and libraries available to help you get things done. Step 6. Conclusion. In a nutshell, Python is a powerful yet beginner-friendly programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and versatility. It's a great choice for both newcomers and experienced developers. I hope this explanation helps you understand what Python is all about. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more informative videos.